Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to enable jump and climb button in PUBG Mobile 2024. This is going to be the updated version and process. Make sure to follow till the end. Also, if you haven't done that subscription, make sure you subscribe using the button below this video, and it is completely free and will be highly appreciated. So let's just get going on to this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, first of all, as you can see on your this little arrow icon on the bottom left side, or I mean bottom right side of your screen, you need to click onto this and then head over to your settings panel. Once you are there, you can see we have this option of jump/climb, and this is the exact thing that we are looking for. Now if you are not if you for some reason not able to get to the settings, let me just guide you a bit. You can see if you head over to your basic settings and then head over to your jump/climb, you can see it will be under your auto open doors and all these settings. These are to automate some of the functionalities inside the game that you are regularly using. So what does basically jump climb mean? It is when you are jumping onto a building or any structure, it is going to be automatically be climbing that if that is possible. And make sure that it is turned on. It should be yellow, something like this. And yeah, so that's how you will be able to do that. And you can see that wraps up our process. If you are facing any type of issues, you can let us know in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible, trying to fix up the issue that you're facing. And subscribe to our channel as well if you haven't been done already, since we are regularly uploading videos like these. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos and see you guys in the next video.